Did you wake up this morning, look at your goals, and instantly feel that heavy weight on your chest? That feeling that everyone else your age is winning, while you are just stuck? If a sudden wave of zero confidence hit you today, and you choose to scroll on social media instead of working on your dreams because it felt safer, please don't click away. You are not broken, you are just human. If you are new here, my name is Fariha and I recently started a 60-day challenge called the Confidence Lab. I don't have my life perfectly figured out, but I am using this channel as a laboratory to face my biggest fears out loud, like the fears of speaking up, learning new skills, and dealing with loneliness. And I'm doing it to prove to you that you can do it too. Today is day 2, and the reality check is hard. Whether you have been here since day 1 or you just stumbled across this video right now, we both need to face the same 3 things if we want to stop feeling left behind. First thing, ready is a lie. If you are waiting for a magical morning where you wake up bursting with confidence before you start learning, you will wait forever. Action creates confidence, not the other way around. Second thing, you have to be willing to look stupid. You cannot master new skill or build a better life without being a messy, awkward beginner first. Third thing, hiding doesn't stop this clock. Closing your eyes and avoiding your goals won't make this time slow down. The next 2 months are going to pass anyway. Today, my one experiment in the lab was simple. I didn't wait to feel motivated. I sat down and forced myself to practice out loud for just 10 minutes. My voice shook and I stumbled over my words. It felt completely uncomfortable, but I finished it. And that is how we break the glass wall. It is incredibly lonely to fight your own self-doubt every single day, but you are not alone anymore. This channel is a judgment-free space for the ones who are terrified but want to show up anyway. If you want to stop running away from your potential, consider this video your sign to start. Join our community. Go to the comments right now, introduce yourself and type 3 words. I am here. Let that be your quiet promise to yourself that you are no longer hiding. Take a deep breath. You survived today. Subscribe to stay motivated with me. I'll see you back in the lab tomorrow for day 3. Inshallah. So it's me, Learn with Fariha. Stay motivated with me and stay focused. Thanks for watching.